I'm testing out the new microphone, seeing how the girls are doing. Hi, baby. You having fun? Look at my gear. You having fun? Look at my girl. She loves swimming. Whoa. Splash mommy, splash mommy. Go splash mommy, splash. You okay? You okay? So I'm not swimming with them right now because I'm waiting for my barber to arrive, so I need a haircut so bad. And it's a lot more convenient when the barber comes to you, because it's just so hard to find barber shops around here sometimes, especially if you have a car, right? It's hard to find a parking space. That's the main problem here that I find here in the Philippines, is finding a parking space for your car. Whoa! Well, mommy's back. Yay! A nice relaxing day. What day is today? Is today Tuesday? Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah. Typical day for it. Well, actually, they haven't been swimming in maybe almost 3 weeks. It's been so cold. It's been raining a lot lately. So this is kind of like the first time in a while that they've been able to go swimming. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Look at my baby. She loves the water. My baby loves the water. You having fun, baby, too? Relaxing, huh? That's the life. That's the life. What are you doing? What's my baby doing? Hmm? We don't have floats anymore because all the floats that we bought all have holes. So they're no longer usable, but you need to get some more. You need to get more floats, huh? Floaties. Hi, baby. Uh-oh. My baby okay? So I think we have a hole in our pool because it's kind of leaking. I don't know if you can see right here. But Arlene said that we've had this pool for about almost 10 months now. I can't believe we've had it for that long. Wow! If we have this portable pool for almost a year, I think it's worth it, because I think we paid $7,000, which is what, like about $150 for this.
Wow!
I think it was worth it to have it for about a year. It's a slow leak, so it's not really leaking bad. Sometimes it's weird though, like some days it doesn't leak. It's just weird. Uh-oh. She keeps splashing. Alright, say bye to the camera. People, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. To the camera here. Say bye to Daddy. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Biba. Are you happy? Say bye-bye to Daddy. Yay, love you. Bye, guys.